Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the pTron Solero Swing 3-in-1 data cable. There's a nice picture of what the data cable is supposed to look like. From the diagram over here, you can tell there's a USB-C connector, a micro USB connector, and also a lightning jack over here. Okay. On the back, we have some more information like output current type C for 5 volts 3 amperes. Other two pins are 5 volts and 2 amperes as well. Data transmission speed is 480 megabytes per second. Cable length is 1.2 meters, and this particular data transfer cable is made out of PVC cable and woven fabric. And also it's written that the lightning charger supports both data sync and charging. The other two pins support only charging. Now let's open this particular box and see what's inside. And here we are. This is what the Solero Swing 3-in-1 data cable looks like. It has a nice purple color on it. It's a braided cable or woven fabric as it's called. This is obviously around 1 meter long, as you can see. On this side we have 3 outlets, as you can see. We have a USB-C type jack, you have a lightning jack, and over here this is the micro USB cable. There's also a Velcro cable tie. This is a great addition. There, I'll show this to you. There, this is a Velcro cable tie. This can come in really handy for when you want to pack this particular wire up like so. There you go. You can make a tighter ball as well, and as small as possible if you want to. And then you tie this, then you basically wrap this cable tie around the wires to make sure you don't lose it. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the pTron Solero Swing 3-in-1 data cable. Thank you for watching.